We finally did it. We hit 300,000 YouTube subscribers on our review channel. Here's a little bit of a flashback to past videos that I've done related to subscribers and my followers. I hope you guys enjoy these video clips. I know I did. I'm 41 on my main channel, 29 on my car channel, 9 on my music channel, 91 on my silver channel, and my new channel I just made got 1 subscriber. What's up YouTube? WangerTime89 here. So, why subscribe to my channel? Well, for one, I got some awesome videos, and if you check them out, you can find probably almost any video on any subject. I upload at least 1 to 2 a week, between 5 and 25 a month. I have over 945 videos as of right now. So yeah, you never know what the next video is going to be. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will always be videos each week. How many? It can range from 1 to 10. Lately here I'm trying to keep it a little lower, that way I don't flood my channel each week, give people a chance to see my new videos. Anyways, yeah, keep watching this video for here. I want to just do a video and thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so, definitely do that. I have finally reached over 2,500 videos uploaded, and I am almost at 2,000 subscribers, so that's pretty awesome. I created my channel in 2009. Hey guys, Scott here. So I wanted to do a quick video. We just hit 9,000 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. When I first created my channel, it was just to watch other people's videos. Then I started uploading for fun. I never thought I'd have more than 10, maybe 20 subscribers. And here we are today with 9,000 plus. So for this 9K subscribers. Hey guys, Scott here. So I cannot believe it, but we finally hit over 10,000 subscribers. 10,039 to be exact. I'll gotta refresh it here just make sure I'm not up by 1. But anyway, I'm not gonna go too much detail. Hey guys, Scott here. So, if you've been following me, you've seen the videos of me saying, vote in my polls. Now that's very important to me because those stats help me help you, help me. So, please go and vote in the polls. It's under the community section or tab of my main YouTube channel. Silver play button! Coming! I'm coming! Hold on! Hi.
Hello, sir. Sorry to bother you, but are you Scott Wanger?
Yes, that's me.
Oh, you are? Good. Well, I have a package for you. It says YouTube on it?
Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, really? Well, that's pretty cool. Here you go. Oh, you know what this is? It's a silver play button. Yes, I got it for getting 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, I do this full time. I'm a YouTuber, Scott's Honest Reviews. Thank you so much. Alright, see you later, man. Sorry to bother you. I just didn't hear you coming to the door. Take care.
Silver play button!
So, this is it. This is the hard work. Now the next level is 1 million subscribers.
She's over and you don't look sober.